today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin into WazirX. For those people who do not know WazirX is an Indian website where you guys can buy and sell crypto. In another word, it's like a crypto exchange, alright? So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can, receive Dogecoin on WazirX, or in another word, transfer Dogecoin to WazirX. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. You want to go to WazirX.com, which is the official website of WazirX, and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to go on where it says funds. Now remember, when you're transferring crypto, you need to have the wallet address of the place where you are transferring the crypto, alright? So basically, if you want to transfer crypto into WazirX or any other place like Coinbase, Binance, then basically you need to have the wallet address of that place, alright? So let's say we are transferring Dogecoin. So what we want to do is Doge. I'm going to search for Doge and I'm going to click on deposit. So right now I can't get the wallet address of Doge in WazirX because Dogecoin is currently being suspended. But once you come over here and click on deposit, your Dogecoin's wallet address is going to be shown over here. So for an example, let me show you guys for another crypto. So I'm going to be showing you guys for Bitcoin, alright? So once you click on deposit, your wallet address is going to be visible just like this. But since, Dogecoin is suspended on WazirX, I was not able to get my, wallet address of Dogecoin. But if Dogecoin is not suspended in the future, then basically once you click on deposit of like Dogecoin, it's going to be shown over here just like this. And basically what you want to do is you just want to copy this wallet address. After you copy the wallet address, you want to paste it on the exchange, whichever exchange you're, using. If you're using Coinbase, then you want to paste it in Coinbase. If you're using, Binance, you want to paste it in Binance, and you can transfer your crypto into WazirX. Now remember, when you're transferring crypto, just copy the wallet address of Dogecoin when you're transferring Dogecoin, alright? For an example only, I'm showing you Bitcoin because, Dogecoin is suspended for some reason in WazirX. But when you're transferring Dogecoin, copy the wallet address of Dogecoin. If you copy the wallet address of Bitcoin when you're transferring Dogecoin, basically your Dogecoin is going to be transferred to a wrong wallet address, which means it's going to be gone. So just keep that in mind. This is just an example. That's why I clicked on Bitcoin. But for, transferring Doge, the thing you want to do is search for Doge, click on deposit, and then, wallet address link is going to be given over here. You want to copy that. So just do this, alright?